Hey, welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, your cozy corner of the internet for all things home design. I'm so glad you're here today, because we are diving into something absolutely dreamy, luxury summer farmhouse decor that feels effortlessly relaxed. Think sun-kissed textures, breezy linen, and that warm golden glow that just makes everything feel like a slow Saturday morning. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and if you're a returning friend, drop a hello in the comments. Let's get into it. Your farmhouse facade is the cover of your story, so let's make it a good one this summer. Think classic board and batten siding in crisp white or warm grayish, that beautiful gray-beige blend that feels both fresh and timeless. Add black-framed windows for that modern farmhouse contrast, and hang a simple wreath of dried cotton stems or eucalyptus on your front door. A wooden address plaque, a cluster of terracotta pots with trailing greenery, and a porch swing in natural rattan complete that welcoming, sun-drenched curb appeal that says, "Come on in." The entryway sets the tone for everything that follows, so let's make it work hard and look beautiful. Start with a chunky wooden coat and hat rack. Wall-mounted hooks in matte black are a classic IKEA-inspired touch that's both affordable and stylish. Add a slim shoe cabinet with a shaker-style door to keep things tidy. A vintage-inspired mirror with a distressed white frame reflects light and opens up the space. Layer a natural jute mat at the door, a small rattan basket for keys, and a little potted succulent on a floating shelf for that organic, lived-in farmhouse warmth. The farmhouse living room in summer is all about breathing room and natural beauty. Choose a linen slip-covered sofa. IKEA's Ektorp or Kivik in a warm oatmeal or sage green is perfect here. Layer chunky knit throw blankets and linen cushions in dusty blue, terracotta, and cream for that effortless collected over time look. Use a reclaimed wood coffee table as your anchor piece, and style it with a stack of design books, a ceramic bowl, and a single white candle. Sheer white curtains that puddle gently on the floor let in that gorgeous summer light while keeping things soft and romantic. The farmhouse dining room is where memories are made, and this summer we're setting a table that feels both luxurious and welcoming. Choose a solid mango wood or whitewashed oak dining table with turned legs, that classic farmhouse silhouette that never goes out of style. Style the table with linen placemats in warm white, mismatched ceramic plates in earthy tones, and a simple centerpiece of wildflowers in a tall glass vase. Add rattan-backed dining chairs for texture and warmth. Hang an oversized woven pendant light above the table to anchor the space and cast that beautiful golden dinnertime glow. The farmhouse kitchen is the soul of the home, and summer is the perfect time to refresh it. Go for shaker-style cabinet doors in soft white or sage green. Paint the lower cabinets a deeper tone for that two-tone designer look. Choose a matte black or brushed brass hardware to tie everything together beautifully. Your refrigerator in a panel-ready finish or classic stainless keeps things sleek, while a farmhouse apron front sink is the iconic centerpiece. On the countertop, tuck a compact espresso machine. The DeLonghi Dedica is a gorgeous slim option, beside a small cutting board and a pot of fresh herbs. Pure morning magic. The family room is where real life happens, and in a luxury farmhouse home, it can look just as beautiful as the rest. Mount your flat-screen TV on a shiplap accent wall, that horizontal wood plank paneling that is the signature of modern farmhouse design. Frame it with floating wooden shelves holding a mix of books, small plants, and ceramic vases. Choose a deep, overstuffed sectional sofa in warm gray or camel linen, and layer a faux sheepskin rug on the floor. Add a vintage-style floor lamp in the corner, and suddenly your family movie nights feel like a five-star retreat. Every modern farmhouse needs a space that works as hard as you do. Create a multifunctional corner with a small, characterful desk. Think a butcher block top on hairpin legs for that mix of rustic and modern. On the desk, Place a unique brass or ceramic desk clock for a designer touch and a small vintage-inspired radio that doubles as a Bluetooth speaker. A built-in bookshelf or simple floating shelves above create your reading nook. Style with curated books, a trailing pothose plant, and a small reading lamp. A linen curtain panel can section off the space for focus time. Functional and gorgeous. Your farmhouse bedroom in summer should feel like waking up inside a dream. Start with a statement bed frame. A whitewashed wood or wrought iron canopy bed instantly elevates the space. Layer your bedding in breathable linen, crisp white base sheets, a lightweight quilt in warm oat or dusty rose, and at least 4 pillows in varying textures. Add a reclaimed wood bedside table on each side with a small ceramic lamp and a single stem base. Hang sheer linen curtains that move gently in the summer breeze. Keep the floor grounded with a woven jute rug in a natural tone. Pure, peaceful luxury. The farmhouse bathroom is your personal wellness retreat, and this summer we're making it feel absolutely luxurious. Install a rainfall shower head and surround your shower in subway tiles with dark grout, that classic combination that never loses its charm. Choose a vessel sink or an undermount basin on a floating vanity in warm white or warm wood to create your waste-to-fell moment. Add open wooden shelving for rolled linen towels, small potted ferns, and glass apothecary jars for cotton balls and salts. A round, frameless mirror or an arched rattan-framed mirror above the sink makes the whole room feel intentional and spa-like. Yes, your garage can look gorgeous, and a farmhouse-inspired garage is genuinely one of the most satisfying design upgrades you can make. Start with a clean, neutral wall color like warm white or dove gray. Install pegboard panels for tool storage and hang everything from matching matte black hooks. This is both practical and visually striking. Add a slim wooden workbench with open shelving below for bins and baskets labeled in handwritten style. A vintage-style pendant light and a printed quote sign on the wall give personality. This summer, your garage goes from chaotic dumping ground to an organized, styled space you're proud to open. The farmhouse patio is where summer truly comes alive. Think of this space as an outdoor living room. It deserves the same love and intention as the indoors. Start with a stone or herringbone brick floor for that timeless farmhouse foundation. Choose an outdoor sectional in all-weather wicker with thick, weather-resistant cushions in striped navy and cream. Add a teak dining table and mismatched outdoor chairs for a relaxed, collected look. String Edison bulb lights overhead for magical summer evenings. Potted lavender, geraniums, and olive trees in terracotta pots add color and fragrance. A small outdoor rug ties everything together beautifully. Let's talk about what really defines the luxury farmhouse look, because understanding the vocabulary helps you shop and design with so much more confidence. Shiplap refers to horizontal wooden planks used on walls for texture. Wabi-sabi is the Japanese concept of finding beauty in imperfection, and it's at the heart of farmhouse design. Hygge, the Danish art of coziness, is achieved through warm lighting, soft textures, and inviting spaces. Neutral palette means building your color foundation on whites, creams, warm grays, and earthy tones. When you understand these terms, you start seeing your home through a designer's eyes, and everything becomes more intentional. In luxury farmhouse design, furniture isn't just functional, it's the storytelling medium of your home. Look for pieces that blend quality materials, solid oak, mango wood, reclaimed timber, rattan, and linen upholstery. IKEA's Hemnes series is a brilliant starting point for dressers, coffee tables, and bed frames that carry that Scandinavian farmhouse crossover so beautifully. Mix new pieces with vintage or antique finds from markets, a worn leather armchair, a patinated brass lamp, a hand-thrown ceramic bowl. It's this mix of high and humble, old and new, that gives a luxury farmhouse home its soul and its story. Here's the secret that professional interior designers never want you to forget. It's the small details that transform a house into a home. A farmhouse vignette, that carefully styled grouping of objects on a shelf or coffee table, follows a simple rule: odd numbers, varying heights, and mixed textures. Group a tall ceramic vase with a short stack of books and a small sculptural object. Add a sprig of dried pampas grass, a linen-covered candle, or a handmade clay dish. In summer, layer in seasonal touches: a bowl of lemons, a jar of lavender, or a small framed botanical print. Every corner becomes a moment. Lighting in a farmhouse home is everything, and summer gives us an incredible natural light advantage, so let's use it wisely. During the day, keep window treatments sheer and light, white linen or voile panels that filter sun without blocking it. For evenings, layer your lighting in 3 ways: ambient lighting from a central fixture like a rattan or iron pendant, task lighting from table and floor lamps, and accent lighting from candles, fairy lights, or picture lights. Warm white bulbs. Look for 2,700K on the box. Give everything that honey gold glow. Dimmers are an absolute game changer for creating instant farmhouse atmosphere. Color is the first thing people feel when they walk into a room, even before they consciously notice it. For a luxury summer farmhouse palette, build your base with warm whites, creamy ivories, and soft grayish tones. Then layer in seasonal summer accents: dusty sage green for a grounded, botanical feel, terracotta for warmth and earthiness, dusty blue for calm and coastal freshness. Avoid anything too bright or saturated. In farmhouse design, we love colors that look like they've been slightly faded by the sun. Think of paint colors like IKEA's textile collections in oat, or Farrow and Ball's elephant's breath and all white as your farmhouse foundation heroes. Refreshing your home for summer doesn't have to mean a complete renovation, and it absolutely doesn't have to break the bank. Start with textiles. Swapping your heavy winter throws and cushions for lightweight linen versions is the single fastest way to make your home feel like a different season. Next, edit your shelves, remove half of what's there and restyle with intention. Then add 1 or 2 plants: a trailing pothose, a fiddle leaf fig, or a cluster of succulents on a windowsill. Finally, switch to warm white candles and lighter scents like cotton, linen, or eucalyptus. 4 simple moves, 4 massive changes in how your home feels. And there we have it. 20 chapters of pure farmhouse summer inspiration, from the front facade all the way to the patio and every gorgeous room in between. The beauty of the luxury farmhouse aesthetic is that it isn't about perfection. It's about warmth, intention, and creating spaces that genuinely feel like you. Whether you're starting with a new throw pillow or planning a full kitchen refresh, every single step matters. You have everything you need to start making your home feel like the sanctuary it's always meant to be. So go for it. Your summer farmhouse story starts today. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today on the Daily House Ideas. It genuinely means the world. If you found even one idea that lit you up, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps more design lovers just like you find this channel. Drop a comment below and tell me, which room are you most excited to refresh this summer? I read every single one and I love hearing from you. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. More beautiful home ideas are coming your way every week, because your home deserves to be your favorite place on earth. See you in the next one.